In this tutorial, we'll show you how to apply a template to your testimonials listing using the Strong Testimonials plugin. Whether you're using the light version or premium, it's simple to make your testimonials look great on the front end of your site. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Testimonials and click on Views. Choose the display mode view you'd like to update and click Edit. Scroll down to the Style section. Under Template, select the template you want to use. Once you've made your choice, scroll down and click on Save Changes. Let's see how some of these templates look on the front end. This is the modern template. This is the small widget template. This is the default template. If you're looking for even more style options, our Pro Templates extension offers additional layouts like card, elegant, minimalist, side, and table. Let's see how some of these templates look on the front end. This is the card template. This is the table template. And that's it. This is how easy it is to apply a template to your testimonials.